In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a campaign in Mailerlite. Let's start right from your Mailerlite dashboard. Once you're logged in, look toward the top or side navigation menu and click on the tab labeled Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns live, whether they're drafts you're still working on or messages you've already sent. Inside the Campaigns area, you'll see different sections, usually including Drafts and Sent. If you're still creating your campaign, you'll find it under Drafts. If you've already sent it, look in the Sent section. Take a moment to locate the specific campaign you want to change. When you find it, look for the Edit option next to that campaign and click it. That's your gateway to updating anything about that email. After clicking Edit, you'll usually land on the campaign's main setup page. From here, look for the button that says Edit Content. Go ahead and click that to open Mailerlite's drag and drop editor. This is the visual area where you can see exactly how your email looks and make layout or content changes without touching any code. Inside the editor, you can modify your content in a few ways. To edit text, simply double-click on any text block and start typing your new copy. Take your time to proofread and keep your message clear and on brand. If you want to change the structure of the email, use the sidebar to drag in new elements like images, buttons, or dividers. Drop them exactly where you want them to appear. To replace an image, click on it and choose a new file from your library or upload a fresh one. If you need to update details about the campaign itself, exit the content editor back to the setup page. Here, you can adjust the subject line, the sender name, the sender email, and the preview text. Small tweaks here can have a big impact on open rates, so make sure everything is accurate and compelling. You can also update who will receive the email by changing the subscriber groups or segments, which is helpful if your targeting has changed. When you're happy with your edits, click Done Editing in the editor to save those content changes. Back on the overview page, give everything one last review. If it all looks good, you can either send the campaign immediately or schedule it to go out at a specific time.